Hello, let's speak about farm animals. It is cow. It is white and black. It is pig. It is a goat. It is white. It is a middle. This is dog. This is brown. It is white. It is a bun. It is a pig. It is pink. It is pig. This is a dog. It is orange. It is big. It is sheep. It is white. It is a big. It is a cow. It is black and white. It is a buffalo. It is gray. It is a big. This is a cat. It is small. This is a cat. It is small.
What color is it?
It is white. It is a
Rabbit.
rabbit. It is pink. This is a rabbit. It is brown.
Is it big or small?
Small.
Okay.
This is a hen. It is white.
Is it big or small?
This is a big. This is a rooster. It is orange, red, black.
Is it big or small?
This is small. This is a donkey. It is gray. It is big.